Many small and medium enterprises today face a challenge. How can they survive and grow in an increasingly digital marketplace? We are Group 3 from the project management class, and our project is designed to address exactly that challenge. Today, we will present the project charter for Gizqy Store's e-commerce website development, a digital initiative aimed at helping the business strengthen its online presence and reach a wider market. This project is developed by our team, me, Shafarani Putri Raissa, Rizki Rahmawati, Muhammad Adam Al-Ghazali, Fathimah Az Zahrah, Tria Rizky Rosmalia, and Al-Kairana Mazaya. Let's begin.
Okay, now let me introduce the company profile of Gizqy Store. Gizqy Store is a small and medium enterprise or SMA that was established in 2019. It is located in Gresik, East Java. The store mainly focuses on Muslim fashion products for women and has become known for offering a wide range of items that meet the needs of its customer. Gizqy Store provides various products such as hijabs, abayas, shirts, pants, and also women's accessories. And with this variety, the store has been able to serve a loyal customer base in the local area and get recognition for its quality and affordable fashion choice. Currently, Gizqy Store operates through an offline store located in Kedamen, Gresik. However, to keep up with the digital era and reach more customers, that's why Gizqy Store needs a website. Through this website, the business will be able to showcase its product online, provide easier access for customer, and expand its reach beyond the local area. The website will also help strengthen competitiveness by creating a modern shopping experience that is convenient and user-friendly.
Okay, so let me start with the purpose, the why behind this project. We are addressing three specific problems: limited market reach beyond Gresik, low brand awareness outside their local area, and missed sales opportunities from the growing online shopping segment. Our measurable targets are: first, 30% increase in brand awareness, which measured through website traffic, social engagement, and SEO ranking, plus 20% customer growth, meaning at least 20% new customer within 6 months after launch. So how about the long-term vision? This website will be a scalable platform that can evolve with advanced features like mobile apps, loyalty programs, or marketplace integration. And now let's break down our 5 specific objectives. First, develop and launch a fully functional website. We are building an e-commerce website that must be fully functional with zero critical errors, user-friendly even for less tech-savvy customer, and responsive across all devices and browsers, desktop, tablet, smartphone. And second, achieve brand awareness and customer growth. That 30% brand awareness increase will be measured through organic search traffic, people finding Gizqy Store via Google, social media engagement, metrics, likes, shares, comments, and followers, plus brand mentions across online platform. 3. Meet time and budget constraint. Timeline 3 months from October 1st October 2025 to 1st January 2026. This is aggressive but realistic for an MVP. It's enough time for development and testing, but not so long that we lose momentum. And fourth, strategic alignment. This project must align with Gizqy Store overall business strategy, their digital transformation roadmap, business expansion plans, and a long-term goal to become a leading Muslim fashion brand online. This is not a stand-alone project, but it's part of the bigger picture. And fifth, launch deadline. The website must go live and fully operational by 1st January 2026. This date is critical for three reasons. First, it's early in the year, and it's also perfect timing for a fresh start when customers are more receptive. It's after the holiday season when people have received year-end bonuses and have higher purchasing power. And Q1 2026 is the best time to launch marketing campaigns and building momentum.
Okay, first let me explain about the scope of this Store website project. For in scope, we focus on essential features to ensure a functional and user-friendly e-commerce website. This includes SEO optimization, secure payment gateway integration, user acceptance testing, mobile responsiveness, staff training, and full design and development of the website. Core features like like product catalog, shopping cart, secure checkout, customer account, and order tracking are also included. On the other hand, for out of scope, we exclude mobile apps development, international shipping, integration with external marketplace like Shopee or Tokopedia, and advanced marketing automation. And then next, let's move on to the deliverables. The main deliverables of this project is the official e-commerce website of Gizqy Store. It has gone through several stages from design, development to testing to ensure both functionality and user friendliness. The website serves as a ready-to-use platform where customer can easily browse, purchase, and interact, supporting Gizqy Store overall digital transformation strategy.
Okay, so now I will explain for the stakeholders and organizational structure part of our team's project charter. In general, this section explains who is involved in the project, what their roles are, and how much influence they have on the success of the project. So we have 7 main stakeholders, all of whom are from internal teams. First, there is Mr. Fahmi Muhammad. As our investor and project sponsor, he provides funding and gives final approval for this project. And then next is Raissa Shafarani as our head of IT, who acts as our project manager. She manages the entire project, handles risk, and ensures that everything runs according to the schedule. Then there is Rizki Rahmawati as our UI UX designer who designs the website's appearance to make the user experience comfortable and attractive. Next is Muhammad Ghazali as our front-end engineer who focuses on the interface and ensures the website is responsive and easy to use. Then there are Fathimah Az Zahrah and Tria Rosmalia, both back-end engineers. They manage the database and payment system to ensure that transactions run smoothly and securely. And lastly, there is Mazaya Al-Kairana as our QA specialist who is responsible for testing the system, finding bugs, and ensuring product quality is maintained. So every stakeholder here plays an essential role from funding, planning, development, and quality assurance.
Okay, so the next about the timeline. So this project will be technically conducted over 3 months, starting from 1st October to 2025 to 1st January 2026, with additional project initiation fees. The detailed project timeline is as follows as the image or roadmap. So the firstly is about project initiation and approval that includes appoint the project team, defines roles, and also finalize the project charter. It will take place from 20 to 30 September 2025. This phase will be targeted to outputs, namely project approval and team appointment by Mr. Fahmi as the investor. So the secondly is also about the requirement gathering and design that will be held from 1st to 21 October 2025. This phase will involve business and technical requirements, defines user personas, and website charter also creates UI UX design. With target output is being finalized, requirement and design mockups. And the next is about first development phase, namely front-end development that includes both front-end pages based on approved designs and testing interface for responsiveness and usability across devices before integration with target outcome is a responsive front-end interface. This phase will be implemented from 22 October to 15 November 2025. The next is about second development phase, namely backend development and integration that includes develop backend features such as database setup, user management, order system, and payment gateway. The target outcome is fully secure and functional backend system with payment gateway. This phase will be implemented starting on 16 to 30 November 2025. And the next is user acceptance testing that will be done from 1st to 20 December 2025. The testing include functional, usability, and secure performance with selected user also bugs identifying and fixing. The target outputs is user acceptance testing report that ensure all major bugs resolved and site approved for deployment. And the lastly is deployment and also go live phase that will be done on 1st January 2026. The website is deployed to the production environment and fully operational e-commerce website. The next is about budget estimate.
Okay, thank you. I will present about the budget estimate. For percentage allocation, we have development, front end and back end for 40%, and then marketing and SEO 20%, design UI UX 15%, testing and quality assurance 10%, contingency reserve 10%, and miscellaneous and admin cost is 5%. For the budget summary, we have first is requirement and analysis planning for the project component, and then estimate cost is 500 rupiahs. For deliverables, website requirement research, pack structure, initial project coordination. The next is UI UX design with estimate cost is 1,050,000 rupiahs. Deliverables is website layout design, wireframe creation, prototyping, and design revision. And next is front end and back end development with estimate cost is 2,800,000 rupiahs with coding, system integration, payment gateway, website functionality, and testing. Next is testing and QA with estimate cost is 700 rupiahs. For deliverables is user acceptance testing, bug fixes, and website performance validation. And the next is marketing and SEO optimization with estimate cost is 1,040,000 rupiahs. For the developers is basic SEO optimization, initial website promotion, and increase online visibility. And the next is contingency reserve with estimate cost is 700 rupiahs. Developers is reverse funds for unexpected needs in case of minor change in the project. And the last is miscellaneous and admin costs. With estimate cost is 350 rupiahs. Deliverables is administrative analysis requirement for tools. So the total budget for this project is 7 million rupiah, which we have designed efficiently for the MSME scale. The largest portion is allocated to website development, as this stage is the core of the e-commerce project. We also set aside like 20% for marketing and SEO so that the website can immediately gain market recognition. In addition, there is a 10% contingency fund to anticipate risks such as future revision or additional hosting requirement. With this allocation, we ensure that the project runs on the budget without compromising quality.
Okay, so we've identified several carries and built clear strategies to keep everything on track. First, there's always the chance of delays in development, both on the front end and back end. To stay ahead of this, we'll be tracking progress every week and adjusting our schedule or resource whenever needed. Next, we're aware of security risks like potential bugs or issue with the payment gateway. To keep the website safe, our backend team will monitor and filter traffic to prevent attacks, and we will have backup system ready just in case. On the operational side, we've also considered that some team members might still be getting used to managing this website. To address this, we'll organize the training sessions and use AI tools or chatbots to make support easier and faster. From a financial perspective, our budget of 7 million rupiah might face pressure if new features are requested along the way. To handle that, we'll focus on core features first, and if need, request extra funding or roll out the project in pass. Finally, there is the risk of website downtime or slow performance. To prevent this, we will use reliable hosting, run load tests, and monitor uptime closely so users always have a smooth experience. Now moving to our assumptions, we believe that every team member will commit enough time to meet our 3-month goal. We also assume that our budget will be sufficient and that our hosting and payment gateways will run smoothly. And since most of our collaboration will be remote, we are confident we can stay connected effectively using tools like Zoom and Google Meet.
Okay, so effective communication is the backbone of project success. We have designed 7 communication types. First, kickoff meeting. This is our official project launch. The goal is to align everyone's understanding, introduce the team, and set the direction. Participants include the sponsor, project manager, and all team members. It happens once at the beginning of October, ideally face-to-face for better team bonding. Second, weekly progress report. This keeps everyone updated on project progress. Every Monday morning, the PM sends report, a short summary for the sponsor and a detailed version for the team. We use email for formal reporting and Trello for real-time updates. This maintains transparency and ensures no issues are overlooked. Third, design review. The purpose is to ensure design meet requirements, align with the brand, and are technically feasible. Participants are the PM, UI/UX designer, front-end engineer, and sometimes the sponsor. We hold this weekly during the design phase about 3 to 4 times total. Fourth, development review or checkpoint meeting. This monitors development progress, detects blockers early, and ensures front-end and back-end stay synchronized. Participants are the PM and both front-end and back-end developers. This happens bi-weekly during the development phase. Fifth, user acceptance testing. This is the final validation stage confirming the website meets all requirements and is ready to launch. Participants include the sponsor who gives approval, PM, QA, and user tester if needed. This happens once at the end of testing phase, around 20 December. 6. Go live announcement. This formally announced that the website is live. Recipient includes sponsor, PM, entire team, support, marketing, and sometimes the whole company. It happens once on launch day. 7. Project closure meeting. This is our final meeting to officially close the project, review results, and document lesson learned. Participants are sponsor, PM, and all team members. It happens after the website goes live. The agenda includes reviewing project goal achievement, evaluating schedule, budget, and quality performance, identifying lessons learned and areas for improvement, and expressing appreciation while transitioning to maintenance phase. And here's the approval section. Okay, so thank you for listening our presentation about Gizqy Store e-commerce website project charter. Thank you so much.